It's good enough.
Am I in it?
Alright, what's up guys? It's Jurassic Jordan coming to you from my channel. I don't have a channel name yet, so we'll figure that out later. I was going to do a quick unboxing of this, but my friends, they're all here and making this really uncomfortable. So this is going to be really quick, and we are not allowed to curse on this channel right now because Mike got us censored on a couple other channels. So.
Sorry.
He was a bad boy. But But we've never played this game, and it's not even going to be like a review of the game. We're literally just going to open this, show you what's in there, and that's it. That's going to be the end of it.
Can I be the dinosaur?
You can be whatever you want to be.
Yes, I'm kind of
So there is a box lid. There is a bunch of papers.
lovely.
Just get these out nicely on the table.
Oh yeah, that's
There
nice.
we go. Just organize that. That's a map,
Very
guys.
nice, Jordan.
And there
Nice colors.
is.
So it's a puzzle.
I did it!
I think these are pogs. I don't know what these are.
God, I
Other
love
pieces.
pogs.
There's
Cute.
an instruction sheet, but we don't need that.
Ooh,
There are these little
colorful
people.
Dinosaurs!
There's a deck of cards, and none of us can read, so these are useless also.
Which one's that?
There's a dice, so we're just gonna throw this and just pick up random cards.
Is that
And
the Dilopiosaurus?
that's the Tilapiosaurus. Tilapiosaurus.
The tilapia.
He's the Dilopiosaurus.
So this is our review of this game and unboxing. So it literally, every single one of these cards says burn on them. So I don't know if you can see that, but we're just gonna burn all these cards, and that is the unboxing.
Perimeter.
And that's what the candle's for.
And that's what this. I want to thank everybody for tuning in and me wasting about 6 minutes of your life.
Attention! The socks de la plastic juguete and tried to do it for a little bye.
2 hours later.
Go fish.
Go fish. Alright.
Alright.
Go Dilopiosaurus.
So I may be over exaggerating or under exaggerating, but I'm gonna just assume that we just sat here for at least 2 hours trying to figure this game out. And I'm just, no, sorry. I just don't want the game yet. But I was just like, I've really come to terms with this game, and I really have decided the best way to play it is just,
Yeah!
don't buy this game.
I knew that was gonna happen.
Jordan, pan up, pan up.